Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about volume. So until now we have talked about area and perimeter. So we can pass in volume. What is volume? A volume is the amount of space that something takes up. Okay, the amount of space is called volume. To measure volume, we have to find the number of cubes that can fit into the space. So we can take So to make sure that everyone uses the same cubes to measure the volume, we have taken a cube with size 1 centimeter of its edge, and the volume of which is 1 cubic centimeter. And we can use this kind of cube to measure the volume of other things. So in this figure, this cubate is made of 10 small cubes with side 1 centimeter cube. So the volume of this one will be 10 centimeter cubed. In the same way, we can find what is the volume of these shapes. So these shapes are made of 6 and 8, 14 cubes. Okay, 14 cubes. Each of them is 1 centimeter cube, so it will be 14 centimeter cubed, the volume of this one. In the same way, if we calculate the number of the cubes that we have here, so we have 3 times 5, 15, 15 plus 10, 25. So it will be 25 centimeter cubed. Okay, 25 centimeter cubed will be the volume of this one. Now we'll talk about the volume of some solids that we know, like cubate. How can we find the volume of cubate? The volume of cubate can be found by multiplying length with width and height, okay, by multiplying the dimensions of the cubate. This is the formula that we are going to use for finding the volume of cubates. So let's see some examples. Find the volume of these two cubates. So as we said, to find the volume, we have to multiply length times width times height. Okay, length is 3, so the volume is equal to 3 centimeter times the width is 2 centimeter times the height is 3 centimeter, which is equal to 6 times 3, 18. And what is the unit? As we said, the unit will be centimeter cubed. So we multiply the numbers, but in the same way we multiply the units. So centimeter times centimeter, centimeter squared times centimeter, centimeter cubed. So the volume of the first cubate is 18 centimeter cubed. Let's see the second one. Again, we use the same formula. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Length is given as 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. Width is given as 3 centimeter. And height is given as 2 centimeter. So the volume is 5 times 3, 15 times 2, 30 centimeter cubed. Centimeter cubed. Okay, this is how we find the volume of the cubes. Exercise 2, when a cubate is measured in centimeters, its volume is given by length centimeter times width centimeter times height centimeter, and it is volume centimeter cubed. So why it is centimeter cubed? As we said, when we multiply the numbers to find the volume, we have to perform operations with the units too. Okay, so centimeter times centimeter is centimeter squared. times centimeter is centimeter cubed. We have said the same thing for area. When we multiply two dimensions, length and width, to find the area, we have centimeter times centimeter, which is centimeter squared. Okay. A cuboid measures 50 centimeter by 1 meter by 40 centimeter. What is its volume? Okay, so what is given? Are given the dimensions. Let's say length is 50 centimeter. Okay, width is 1 meter. And height is 40 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume. We know that the volume is the multiplication of these three dimensions, length times width times height. Now length is given into centimeter, width into meter, and height into centimeter. To perform operation with these numbers, we must convert them first to the same unit. So this 1 meter must be converted into centimeter, and it will be 100 centimeter. Okay, now we can find the volume easily. So let's substitute in our formula the givens. It will be 50 times 100 times 40, which is 200,000 centimeter cubed. If we want to convert this one into meter cubed, we have to divide with 100,000, okay? So it will be 0.2 meter cube. Meter cube. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now let's see. Let's see exercise 7. The cuboid below has a volume of 2,160 centimeter cube. It has a square cross section. What is the side length x? So what is given? It is given a cuboid which base, a cross section, is the base of the solid, is the square. The square with the dimensions x and x. We know that the sides of the squares are all congruent, all equal in length. And the height is given as 15, and we know the volume, which is 2,160 centimeters squared. So we have the length is equal to x. The width again is equal to x. Okay. The height is equal to 15 centimeter. And we know the volume. The volume is equal to 2,160 centimeter cubed. Now we have to find what length and width. Okay, the length of x. So again, we can write the formula of volume. Volume is equal to length times width times height. We know the volume. It is 2,160 centimeter cubed. Length and width are x times x. And the height is 15 centimeter. So 2,160, now we have an equation and we have to solve it, is equal to x squared times 15. Okay, so what is x squared? X squared is equal to 2,160 divided by 15. Divided by 15. Okay, what is this division? So 21 divided by 15 is 1. 66 divided by 15 will be 4, and 60 divided by 15 will be 4. Okay, so x squared is equal to 144, which means x, which number is multiplied twice by itself and give me 144. It means x is square root of 144. X is what? X is 12. Okay, 12 is multiplied twice by itself to give 144. So the length of x will be 12 centimeters. Okay, now this is the lesson for today. You'll have as homework exercise 3 and 4 on your book. What you have to do in these exercises is to complete the places on these two tables. It is given a cuboid, it means the length, width, and height of a cuboid, and you have to find the volume by using the formula of volume. It means you will multiply all of them, like 4 times 2 is 8 times 1, and this one will be 8 centimeters cubed. In the same way, you can complete the others. At the second one, it is given volume, length, width, and height. So volume is 60, length and width is given. You have to find the height, which means height will be 60 divided by 3 times 4, which is 12. 60 divided by 12, which is 5. Okay, in this way, you will find the missing length. I wish you a nice day, and I'm waiting for the homework.